Nagawa ako guys ng ng sauce ng aking chicken meatballs. Ayan. Sibuyas. Bawang. Maraming bawang. Kasi magpapasta lang ang mga bata today. So, gawa ako ng sauce. Tapos, bibilugin ko yung aking meatballs. Ang ano dyan, paglalagay ko lang yun. Sibuyas, bawang, kamatis, asin, paminta, tsaka tomato sauce. O, ano to? Ayan. Ito ang gagamitin ko. Aurora tomatoes. Ayan. Pagka kumulo na tong sauce ko mamaya, saka ko bibilogin yung aking meatballs. Ang aking meatballs today ay chicken meatballs. Yan ang aking mixture ng 1 pound of ground chicken meat, 1 small carrots, salt and black pepper, and 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Yan siya. So, hindi ako naglagay dyan ng bawang at sibuyas kasi dito sila sa akin sauce. Ayan guys, now lagay ko ng aking kamatis. Tapos magboboil ako mamaya ng pasta. May pasta ako dyan. Hindi na ng mga bata. Ayaw po nila ng matamis na sauce. So, I'm not going to put asukal. Hindi kasi sila yung Pilipino talaga na sanay sa matamis na sauce sa pasta. Yan guys, ilagay ko na yung aking tomatoes dyan. Saka hindi rin kami malapot mag-sauce, so I mixed up with, lagyan ko yun ng tubig. Yan. Hayaan ko muna yan dyan. Mag-isa-gisa siya ng konti. Yan na guys ang aking sauce. So, it's boiling. Nilagyan ko yan ng a little bit of oregano powder, salt, and ground white pepper. Now, I can start putting my meatballs. Yeah. Yes, I'm putting my chicken meatballs. Hindi lang siya gaanong malalaki kasi 1 bite lang siya for the kids. Tapos mag-boil ako ng pasta. Don't here. Ayun ako, si Bunso ang nagbibideo. So I'm gonna put more. Ayusin mo. Like that. I'm gonna put more meatballs. Focus on the pot. So what kind of pasta you want with this?
Like the one we always have in Meatballs.
No, I have twirl pasta. I have spaghetti. I have I have the other kind, like the shell. You like sweet pasta?
Kinda. It tastes pretty good, but
I don't put sugar in this one because Daddy won't eat it with sauce.
would you put salt?
Yeah, I put salt on it. Don't cover your camera, leave it that way. And guys. And then after this, we're just gonna lower down the fire and stew it. Like, yeah. Yan guys ang aking chicken meatballs today. Ayan, hindi siya perfect pero pwede na. Right, Tina?
As long as it tastes good, I don't mind.
Because it's hard to make this one round. Because chicken meat is softer than the other meat. But it's healthier though. Right? White meat. Anong ginagawa mo? Ikot ka
It
naman.
said that termites have more nutrition. Like, was it nutrition?